Eugene in West London. Good evening.
Yes. Good evening, Daniel. Just to be very quick, somebody owed me 2,500. I took him to small claims court. Then the case has been judged in my favour, and he ignored to make the payment. Then I have instructed a law enforcement agent, and they basically could not trace him. And my case was closed by the enforcement agent. So I'm just asking, is there anything that I could do now?
How long ago was the judgment?
About 4 months now.
Okay, recent, because judgments run out after 6 years, but that's not a problem then. So this person, you've got a judgment against this person for £2,500.
Right.
Do you know their address?
I don't know their address. I don't know the address. I knew they moved from it.
They've moved. Okay. So somehow you need to get their address. You can't do any enforcement without finding out their address. There's a couple of ways to do it. There's a DIY way of doing it, which is if you've got a phone number or an old address, you can try online tracing tools, things like electoral roll searches, Companies House if they're a director, even potentially LinkedIn. You'll be amazed what people leave lying around online. But more reliable, you can pay for a proper people tracing service. And there are firms out there, just use any search engine, who will track someone down for about the 60 to 80 quid mark. Ideally look for companies who offer no trace, no fee deals, although they'll be a bit more expensive if they get the tracing details. And once you've got an address, you can go back to court, you can get the enforcement agents working again. But another thing you can do, once you've got the address, is apply to court for it's called an order to obtain information. And that drags the debtor, the person who owes you money, into court to answer questions under oath, answer questions about their income, their assets, their bank accounts, their property, the lot. If they don't turn up, they can be arrested. And the idea is to flush out whether they can't pay or just won't pay. But once you've got that information, you'll be in a much stronger position to get enforcement agents like bailiffs to go in and get the money. What you don't have, because the debt's for under £5,000, this only counts if the debt's for over £5,000, is going down the bankruptcy route of bankrupting him or her, because that gets people's attention quickly.
Can I apply to the court direct rather than going to trading companies or anything like that?
If you can't apply for an order to obtain information unless you've got their address.
Oh, I see.
So you've got to get their address before you can do that. And it's up to you to get the address, whether you hire someone to get it for you or you find it yourself. But the court's not going to sit down and work out someone's address for you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.